guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Lovely of Lovely Budgets HK. Welcome to my happy place. I hope you have a great week this week, and thank you so much for stopping by and watching my mini Monday cash stuffing, as well as the monthly saving challenges cash stuffing. And before I start, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, or hit the notification bell so you'll be updated on my next video. So let's start. So for today, what I'm going to save on my mini saving challenges is $30. So this is 30. I just put it on the side there and I will stretch out. And for now, we're using a prop money, $30 prop money. So let's count. $1, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So this prop money is from before it's Deep Plans and Budgets, Copy Shop or Google Drive, I forgot, but now the name of her channel is D versus Retirement. Okay, so this is a long time that I already printed this one and I ran out of my own prop money. That's why I use this one this time. So let's start. And let's roll the dice. I'm using an 8-sided dice here because there's an 8 challenges. And let's roll. So 3. I'm putting $1. It's okay. So 8. Last one. Let me just move this one along. It's quite tight. Okay. So 5. 7. 8. 7. 8. Wow! Why 7 and 8? What's lucky number 8? Come on. Okay, 7. You can see. Oops. 7. What's that? So 4. I'm not wearing my eyeglasses, so okay, 4. So another 4. Let me shake it up. So 1. 5. And all the spicy 5. See? 8 again. 8. 4. Last one. So 1. Okay. Alright, so let's get this one out. So the envelope 1 is from Mel of Momshi Queen. So it gets $7 today. Let me just... So total here is $14. So $7. So I get $7 today here. So 5 and 2. Alright, a total of 14. So let me grab this and change it here. Next one. Oh, 2 didn't get again today. Sorry. So 3 got 1. Let's see. So this is for $5 each icon. So let me just get here plus one. So plus one, I think, yeah, 4. Total of 14, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, a total of 14. This one is from Christy Budgets. Saving challenges number 4 is from Loisa of Coffin Fix Budgets. They are not active. Christy and Loisa they are not active now on filming. So this is my stash for a few years now, but I don't want to waste it, so I'm using it today. I don't want to waste their creation. They have so nice creation. So here I say today it got $7. So each icon is $3. So 1, 2, $7, right? So 2.5. So total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 18, 19. If I'm not mistaken. Okay. So $19. Correct? Let's see if number 8 is going to complete today. Okay, so here is number 5. This is from Rox Budgets. So we got here $3. Let's cross $3 here. 2 and 1. A total of 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 3. Yeah, 6. Yeah, total of 6. So let me get this 2 and change it into this one. So number 6 didn't get today. This is from Kathy of Whose Budgets. Yeah. Number 7, the winner, 7 and 8. So let's see. They are the winner for today. So it got 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. 7 got $4. So each icon here is $1. So let's cross 1, 2, 3, 4. This is from Leia of Fly Budget. Total of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So let me get this. So 12. Okay. And number 8, let's see how much he got today. So $8. 8 for 8. Wow, lucky number. $8. So each icon is 2. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and half. So total of 8, 16, 17. Okay, 5, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, that's correct. So let me get that. And $2. And then this one, put it back. Oh, no, it's total of $17. Yay! This is from Jenny of Simply Living Saves. So we didn't finish any today, but it's okay. I'm not in a rush to finish the challenges. So whenever I finish one challenges here, I will exchange it into this one from Tiny Budget Co. Okay, that's for my mini savings challenge savings. So Next one is for this one. This is a monthly and yearly saving charges, and let's call it long term because I will not reallocate the money yet as until the end of this month. So what we're gonna save here is 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, $80. And let me arrange this. I think I will need a prop money here. Okay. Okay, let's start. So for this one, it's my creation. You can find it on my coffee shop. So if I roll 600 dice, if I roll even, it depends on me if you want a 2 or 20, and it depends on you if you want to save along with me. And add number, you can save 6 or 26. That's why it's called save 20 and 26. So let me roll 600 dice. So add number. So I'll save here the low income one. So 6, the low amount one. So add number, another 6. Let me roll 3. So set even number, so 2. So a total of 12, 13, 14. I hope there's a change. So no change. 14, let me change it. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So let me save this for prop money. So $14. $14. So for this one, save 800 into 2026 by Amy by Nature. This is 3 kinds. The one with the higher value, or the one with the just 1 and 2, 3, and then the other one is 10 cents, 25 cents, something like that. So I will using this save 800 in 2026. So what I'm going to save here is $10 for now. So 3, 3, 9, 10, one row. When I'll come back, I still have some money. Okay, next one. This one is from no release budget. So now it's February the 2nd week. So let's save here $10. Okay. And for this one is from Kimmy of Kimmy's Corner. So it's using the $5 each space. She also have $2, $10, $20. If you wanna grab this, you can go to Kimmy's Corner coffee shop. It's for free. So let me save here 20. So let me use different color. So 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. So $20. I will color the rest later when off cam. Okay, so for this one, it's from Nita of Almost Organized Owl. So when I started in January. Hold on. January 2026. And it's now fading. Coloring, sorry. So let me save here $10. Let's see. $10. And I will get another marker. So 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 10. So $10. So put the change here. And for this one, for Miss Judy, or saving with Judy, save 25 a month, $5 each week. So I will call her here. I will save her $10. Let me color the middle part. Okay. Sorry about that, lovelies. Upon checking my phone, because I'm always recording with my phone, and it didn't record the last part of this challenge of this video, so it stopped in here. So in here, I will just do a recap. In here, I'll save $10. Okay. And then for this one, I didn't save today any. So for Rock's budgets, I I saved the rest of the money, which is $6. So I cross this out. And next week, I'm going to start again if I can film. Or next time, I'll start with Miss Lady Di monthly challenges. So that's all that I miss on the video. So thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel. Before you leave, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, or hit the notification bell so you'll be updated on my next video. This is me, Lovely, the stuttering lady, the stuttering mom. Bye for now and see you later. Be humble and grateful. Make saving a habit. Bye. Love ya. Bye.